Alright, I'm gonna do a bike check today. Let me see. Let's start out with the seat. No. With Shadow Soulless fat seat. Really, really comfy. I love it. I used to have the slim one, but I traded with a friend just like a week ago. He quit biking, which I don't like that much. But he didn't quit. Then you got this. Odyssey twisted pedals, PC. I think I got one on this side too, in white. Stock cranks. I don't like them. But it looks good though. Stock 28 sprocket. It's bent. Actually bent before, but I got unbent. It bent again. I used to have a Shadow one. I bent that one within a day. And then, let's see. Fit AF, fuel one tire, 2x2.10, 110, holds 110 psi. And then alienation axis wheel. It's really good, other than the rim bends pretty easily. The hub's amazing. I got it. This is my second wheel from it. I got hit by a car. The wheel got pretty fucked up. Yeah. Smiley face. Love cat. Yeah, for buddy. It's Corey. There you go. EMC chain. Let's get up here. Shadow vultus handlebars. They're 8.25 rise, 28 inches wide. Most comfy bars and my favorite bars ever. And then, two different barns. And motion on this side. Do one on this side. ODI grips last forever. And they're really comfy. I recommend getting these. Shadow something stem. I forget the name. I love it too. Bars have never slipped, and it's strong as hell. Stock forks, I hate them. That's all I can say. The wheel I actually really like. The stock, it's stock, but it's really freaking strong. Yeah. But if you have tire, same with the back. T-Log. Two shadow pegs. Awesome. Get them if you get pegs. Lightest metal pegs you can buy. I recommend that. Oh yeah. Specialized frame, stock. Don't get it. Don't get the spike complete. Specialized fuse 3, don't get them. They suck. That's all I can say. Or really priced. And that's my bike.